Hi, I'm Eugenia Wycor, and I want to welcome you to a very special date night, my husband's and my wedding anniversary. We're here on the banks of the Mississippi River in Minneapolis at the University of Minnesota, which is where we met, and it's homecoming, so we're celebrating our home team with maroon and gold napkins. Go Gophers! We're having an appetizer picnic featuring foods from the upper Midwest. Venison sausage, wild rice and cranberry salad, cheese from a local dairy, blackberry jam, and pesto from our own backyard garden. We like the Sterling Cabernet with this because the really lush fruit flavors go well with the cranberries and the jam, but it has a really robust tannic structure that stands up to the sausage and the pesto and the cheese. Now, after our picnic, we're going to take a walk across the bridge and we're going to go see an exhibit at the Weizmann Art Museum, and you can see it in the background. It's the big silver castle back there. And after that, who knows? Happy anniversary, Paul.